My name's Amy Heilacker, and I have a degree from TCU in food management, and I've always loved being around food. I've been a foodie. I've always wanted to go to culinary school. After I had my 2 children, I found this school, and it allowed me to go to school at night and on the weekends. I actually found something during my 3rd semester. I decided that after 3 semesters, I thought that I would be okay with starting in a small restaurant, and I applied and got the job, and I've been there for over a year. I would not have been able to apply for this job if I wouldn't have gone to this school.
I'm Steve Soretto, and I graduated in April of 2010, so I'm an alumni now. And I work at a restaurant on the weekends, but I mainly do banking during the day. They gave me the base knowledge of all the techniques that I needed to know, and they gave me the ability to experiment, with flavors and styles that I wouldn't have done at the house at all. I would have never, ever got the ability to do what I did here. And that's why I was able to learn quite a bit, and it definitely opened the door to get me the position that I have on Saturday nights at the restaurant that I work at. And eventually, I will have my own restaurant.
And I grew up in Fort Worth, and I chose to come to culinary school. I was working full-time and still am for AT&T as a senior marketing manager, but I've just always loved cooking and really wanted to learn more about it. Some of the things that I was able to do that I never thought that I would be able to, I was like, wow, I created that. And especially doing the cooking classes with John Bunnell and having him give acceptance to the things that I was making, I'm like, wow, that's really cool to have that. So what I'm doing now, and actually I did start it working with Fort Worth Foodie magazine, and became the owner of it my 2nd semester in the culinary school. And that was 2 years ago this month, actually. So that's one of the really great things that came out of being at the school. Is it's something I don't think I would have had the confidence to do and to get into getting involved with the magazine had I not been here at the culinary school. A lot of people ask, and they see the magazine and say, oh, what's your background? Did you used to work in a restaurant? I said, well, I graduated from the culinary school of Fort Worth, so I have that credibility with me now.
I learned a lot going to school, and I also learned a lot going to school while I was working in restaurants, and it helped me apply what things I learned here, and I just repeated it every single day in my job. It kind of gave me the basics of what I need to know and what I'm supposed to do. And if me being in a restaurant 40 hours a week, I really could apply those skills that they taught me here and excel and make them the best they could be.
So when students leave the Culinary School of Fort Worth, they walk away with the ability to fix a recipe and make sure that something tastes the same way no matter what time of year it's being prepared. You can always follow a recipe, but what we hope that you walk away with is how to make something taste the same no matter what product you're using.